Which is the first state in India to launch a policy to establish a special agriculture zone SSZS? Answer B. Uttarakhand. TRAI is set up under which section of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act 1997? Answer C. Section 3. National Wind Resources Assignment Program was launched in? Answer A. 1985. Which is India's highest commercial airport? Answer B. Kushok Bakula Rampuchi Airport. What is India's rank in the world in terms of fish production? Answer B. Second. In which year SERSAI, Central Registry of Resecuritization, Asset Reconstruction and Security Interest, was established? Answer B. 2011. Which among the following is a Trump lending institution? Answer C. IFCI. Which institution floated rupee pound for the first time in the international market? Answer A. International Finance Institution. Who protects the investor in a stock market? Answer B. SEBI. Energy Efficiency Service Limited is under the Ministry of? Answer D. Ministry of Power. Which country has the highest e-commerce growth rate? Answer B. India. What is the contribution of gems and jewelry sector of India to world's consumption? Answer C. 29%. In which year was the first consumer protection bill passed in India? Answer C. 1986. What is India's rank in steel production in the world? Answer B. Second. Which company operates the largest gas pipeline in the country? Answer C. GAIL. What is the share of petroleum sector in the FDI received from 2000 to 2020? Answer B. 1.6%. How many pharmaceutical generic brands are there in India? Answer C. 60,000. How many mobile phones are targeted to be manufactured by 2025? Answer A. 1 billion. During which year Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council was set up? Answer B. 1966. What is the maximum loan given under PM Mudra Yojana? Answer A. 10 lakhs. When did India become a permanent member of the Washington Accord? Answer B. 2014. Which among the following is a private sector industry? Answer A. Tisco. What is India's contribution to the global meat production? Answer A. 3%. Who is known as the mother of broiler poultry farming? Answer B. Wilma Steele. Which of the following state has per hectare highest consumption of fertilizer in India? Answer A. Punjab. How many registered e-recyclers exist in India? Answer D. 178. Which state has the highest dependence of fuelwood on forest? Answer B. Maharashtra. Which state has the highest number of buffaloes in India? Answer A. Uttar Pradesh. Which animal meat is known as white meat? Answer A. Chicken. What is India's share in the global horticulture exports? Answer A. 1%. Which Indian law bans the use of GM seed without approval? Answer A. Environmental Protection Act 1986. What is the total urea imports for India? Answer D. 80 lakhs metric tons. Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee works under which ministry? Answer A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. What is the horticulture premium in the PM Fasal Bima Yojana? Answer C. 5%. Which of the following is the first stock exchange in Asia? Answer B. Bombay Stock Exchange. Which sector contributed the maximum to GDP at the time of independence? Answer B. Agriculture. Which sector contributed more to national income? Answer B. Unorganized. Which of the following countries follow a mixed economic system? Answer B. India. Which is India's biggest nationalized enterprises today? Answer C. Indian Railways. India's first national investment and manufacturing zone has been proposed to be set up in which state? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. After which 5-year plan the rolling plan was implemented? Answer B. Fifth plan. Which public sector giant issue world's first Indian green masala bond? Answer D. NTPC. Which of the following is not true of the regional rural bank RRBS? Answer B. They are so sponsored by RBI. A company is termed as sick when the accrued loss at the end of financial year result into erosion of dash percent of its net worth. Answer B. 50%. Which among the following is not an internal factor for industrial sickness? Answer A. Power shortage. Which among the following is the one of the disadvantage of WPI wholesale price index in India? Answer C. Services sector does not get covered. Which among the following factors does not figure in the 10-year action plan that was formulated under the National Population Policy 2000? Answer B. Special reward for men who take on terminal family planning methods. Who made the use of energy requirements calorie as a measure of poverty in India the first time? Answer C. Dandekar and Rath. Who proposed the concept of P index as a measure of income shortfall? आंसर सी, अमर्त्य सेन।